I wish I had a kill switch.
Please stop.
For the darkness that brought me down into this abyss. This psychic ditch, full of piss. Like Donovan said, this is the season of the witch. Peep this. I can look back but not ahead. My neurotransmitters must all be dead. Oh wait, starting to twitch. They tell me my life is always gonna be a bitch. I know. This kind of thinking leads to misery, self-imposed exile and anguish. I'm paying what I call karmic vigorish. Stuck under a bell jar, eating poison licorice. That's why I wish I had a kill switch, or maybe just some way out of this. Holy scripture says my soul is precious amethyst. Or maybe it's just pustulant and pimply. Or maybe I simply need to see a spiritual dermatologist. But that would imply that this is surface level shit, and it's not. This is stab you in the third eye, red dot up close, I'm giving up the ghost. I tried everything. Okay, maybe not everything, but a lot of shit got crossed off my checklist. Fuck a bucket list. A Buddhist once told me I had a hole in my fortune bucket. Shit. I asked her to explain. She spouted doctrine that didn't pertain. That's not how you speak to a person in dire pain.
Nope.
I'm not moping.
Nope.
My soul is blistered and it's wide open.
Yeah.
She really didn't consider the knee-jerk answer she gave, and I understood. I'll probably take this depression to my grave. But I'm speaking truth about my own mental illness. How other people see it as weakness, when emotion chokes you up and leaves you speechless. Some in the darkness is a talent. You can't teach this. I'm the Triple Crown winner, the Derby, the Belmont Stakes, and the Preakness. Mind, soul. My mind splits into pieces. From the pressure, my soul releases. The negative imagery never ceases. In the ripples and the creases of my brain, which is reputedly the seat of intelligence. That's totally irrelevant. The imprint to destroy myself is buried deep. The way circus trainers train a baby elephant. Yeah,
I'm about to spill my guts.
I'm about to spill my guts. Like a cat wigging out on angel dust. Hearing voices that can't be trusted. Urging suicide, all bloodlusted. Saying you don't cut the mustard. Subliminal shit way down encrusted. Blood diamonds and criminals of the subconscious. Whispering, you incompetent, stupid bastard. I'm trafficking in human life, financing an insurgence. I don't love myself and I need to do it now urgent. But the universe is hostile, or so I believe it to be. I know, woe is me and my violin symphony. So let's try this on for size. Let me take you on an amusement ride. The feral mind, the dragon slide, with hairpin turns that lead to suicide. A lot of people have these issues, but they won't talk about it with you until it's too late. And then they say how much they miss you. And then they say how much they miss you. And then they say how much they miss you. And then they say, fuck. Why'd you do that? Why didn't you think of me? I did think of you. Couldn't help it.